Well, the Congress continuing to be hopeful as far as its chances on the floor of the House today is concerned, but their worry certainly compounded with the Congress ally TMC set to move amendments to the Lokpal bill in the Rajya Sabha today, demanding references to the Lokayukt be dropped from the bill. It has been a tumultuous alliance lately. Trinamool Congress's Derek O'Brien will today move an amendment in the upper house demanding references to the Lokayukta be dropped from the Lokpal bill. The Wednesday evening meeting, an attempt by the government to garner support for an effective floor strategy, proving to be ineffective.
In the Rajya Sabha, AITC Rajya Sabha Parliamentarian Party submitted one amendment regarding the Lokpal and Lokayukt Bill 2011 for deletion of Part 3, Clause 63 to 97.
Srimati Sushma Swaraj, are you moving?
The very same amendment moved by Leader of Opposition in the Lok Sabha, Sushma Swaraj, that was defeated on the floor of the House.
My both amendments, ma'am, in clause 3. The question is that amendment numbers 57 and 58 moved by Srimati Sushma Swaraj be adopted. Those in favour may say aye. Those against may say no. I think the noes have it. The noes have it. The amendments are negative.
The BJP since is battle ready.
We are not satisfied with the draft which the government has got approved by the Lok Sabha. I'll certainly be filing a series of amendments. I'm sure other members would also be doing that.
And others have made it clear that they will in no way back the Lokpal bill in its current form.
बिल में भी बहुत कमी है, उस संशोधनों का स्वीकार कर लिया जाएगा.
And without the proper support of TMC's 6 MPs on the floor of the upper house, the government's troubles look set to be compounded.
Sir, they have not voted against in Lok Sabha.
No, they have voted for it, sir. They have voted for this in the Lok Sabha. Speak to him or but now what?
After her bitter opposition to petrol hike and FDI in retail, Mamata's opposition to centre's control over setting up of Lokayuktas in states could land the final blow to the anti-corruption legislation as far as this winter session is concerned. Bureau Report, Times Now.